Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and unplugging the Aircon. Safety prevents shocks and compressor damage. Once done, remove the front grill and pull out the filter so you can access coils and drain pan. Make sure to organize screws in a labeled container to avoid mix-ups when reassembling. While you work, keep a shallow towel under the unit to catch drips. You'll clean the easy parts first so the heavier, messier components stay accessible and nothing blocks airflow. You now tackle the core cleaning, the evaporator coils and the drain system, because clogs reduce cooling and cause leaks. Start by vacuuming loose dust, then apply a foam coil cleaner and let it dissolve grime. That restores heat exchange efficiency. Next, clear the drain with a flexible brush, then flush with a diluted vinegar solution to remove biofilm and deodorize. When scrubbing the pan and fins, be gentle so you don't bend fins or damage coatings, which would hurt long-term performance. You finish by drying components, reinstalling the filter and grill, and securing screws finger-tight to avoid stripping plastic. Once reassembled, restore power and run a 15-minute test cycle. Check that airflow is strong, temperature drops, and there's no water drip. If you see leaks or poor cooling, make sure the drain sits at the correct pitch and that seals around the sleeve are intact. Reseal gaps with a small bead of silicone. For noisy operation, confirm mounting studs and fan blades are secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.